going on? How y'all feeling? Hey, what's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Moody, and look, we got another couples unboxing. So with these, you're gonna see here real soon, but one of the luckiest that I feel like I've ever gotten on any shoe, honestly, because it was a raffle. That was the only way how you was able to get it. Is there a release date for it?
Nah, I thought they pushed it back to the 28th, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check.
Yeah, I think they pushed them back, but they had a raffle on their site, on their website. Yeah, they pushed them back on the 28th, but they had a raffle on their website. You know, you put it in, put your information and stuff like that, and then yeah, so somehow we got two. So just looked up. Yeah, literally, I had her put in her size, and then I had did my size. Like early on, I didn't even know what the shoe was until like people was bringing it up to me, like, oh, put it in raffles. I'm like, okay, cool. So then I had her put in hers because I didn't want them to, you know, cancel mine out. But we just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna cut them up. But as you guys know, if you haven't seen the video already, this woman, lovely lady here, just graduated from her master's in health administration, right? Yeah, health administration, and it was her birthday as well. So we just got back last night. Had these boxes. And then planned on doing this unboxing today. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Oh, this is raw. Look at the pack. It's the packaging for me. Oh.
As you can see.
It
gives me Jordan 11 slide out boxes. We're gonna move these out the way. Don't need them now, but
that is raw. Look at that, y'all.
Yeah, that's
quality.
Nice.
You gonna put it up close?
Sure. So, if you don't know already, I wear a size 11 and a half in men, and this shoe was it was basically a woman's exclusive, but not a woman's exclusive. They gave women like first dibs, you know, stuff like that on the website, and but they didn't want the men to feel excluded. So the colorway, the story behind it, I wanted to basically include women and men and then come together. I think his name's James Whitner. He's the owner of a sneaker store. I forgot where, but it's called Social Status. He teamed up with Maniere. And yeah, they got this shoe here. So this is the little cover.
That's raw.
And then we got the shoe. So I got that 13 woman there. And then we got an 8.5, which is a 7 in men's.
Yeah, and one thing that I think is so raw is how the Jumpman sign is going this way instead of this way.
Oh yeah,
that's like raw. It's like this instead of then that way. That's raw.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and. Sheesh.
And of course they keep the packaging.
Ooh, these smell good.
The design all throughout. Yeah, these are raw.
I'm gonna hold these down. Sheesh. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some B-roll shots of this so you can see it. But yeah,
it's a quilted.
Man. Got the
quilted fabric. That's the word I was looking for. In the inside.
Got the quilted fabric on the inside of the tongue. Let me take the other one out. See that one. Maniere. It comes with extra laces.
Does it? Wow. What is that? Like a sail?
Yeah, I guess.
Off-white.
I guess like the off-white here. You got the laces to match that. So nice detail. You got the quilted on the inside, like we showed on the other shoe.
Oh, you gotta show the work harder on the.
Oh yeah, on the shoelaces. Yeah, it says
work harder.
Work harder on the shoelace tips. Yeah, this. When I tell you, when I got the email saying, because first we was laying down, you know, posted, and then I look up. I'm just, you know, scrolling. You know, not thinking nothing of it. I see order confirmed. I'm on Maniere. I was like, hold on. And then I go, and then I get out my bed and just start running. I'm like, I hit. She's like, wait, what? And then I showed her, and then she was hyped too. And then And then I'm hype. I'm like trying to call everybody. I'm like, yo, like, bro, I hit. Mm-hmm. Nobody's picking up. It was like, what?
Midnight.
It was like midnight, man. All my friends are old men. They don't they be going to sleep at 8 o'clock. And I was like, I had to call somebody. And then, you know, I was like, all right, cool. I was like, let me start to, you know, get ready for bed and go to sleep. And then, you know, I'm still thinking in my head, I'm like, man, this is crazy. Like, I never thought I was gonna get to shoot at all. Like, I was gonna put it like I normally do, put in raffles. It is what it is. You know, if I get them, I get them. If I don't, I don't. And then I go to check just to make sure, you know, that it was really real. I go to check, then I look above it and I see 2 emails, and I said, no way. And then I don't even remember putting in for my size. That's the crazy thing. I was like, wait. And then I was like, oh, I did put in for my size. And then I look, and then I got hype again. And then I delayed my sleep for like another 30 minutes. But yeah, like, this is crazy. This is one of the most exciting shoes that I hit on. Like, even more exciting than the powder blue. I don't know why I call them powder blue. The University blue ones. Mm-hmm. Stay tuned. I did get 2 confirmed W's for my size in the University blue 4, so we just got to get her size now. You already know how that goes. But yeah.
These raw, we definitely holding these.
Oh yeah.
I can't tell you if we gonna rock them, but they're definitely well, y'all know I don't even wear my sneakers anyway, so this just gonna be sitting for the most part, just to say it's in the collection. Yeah,
basically. So basically, the story behind this shoe is basically it was supposed to release in March, which if I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to be like Women's History Month. So they wanted to come together and bring a shoe out for, you know, to represent women. And James basically wanted to do the silhouette of a Jordan 3 because his mom purchased his first shoe that he ever got purchased when he was a child was a Jordan 3. Mm-hmm. So him and his brother was like, you know, what other shoe would you know, get or do a collab with or outside of the Jordan 3? Mm-hmm. So, you know, they did that. He teamed up with Maniere. They had this collab come together. You know, on the shoelaces, you got that detail. You got the Jumpman. You got the Nike AirTag, which I haven't seen on a Jordan 4 and any recent ones, at least, in a while. Jordan 3, normally I see them on 4s, but they come on 3 too. You know, a little hang tag or whatever.
But the likelihood of you keeping this on, like, I wouldn't, because it's a rubber. It's not like, you know how in 4s it comes with the metal. Oh yeah, with the metal. Yeah. Like the little bead things that wrap around. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And then like on the inside of the, I'm gonna do B-roll of it so you can get a better look, but you pull the back tab back that has like his mom's handwriting. All we have is each other. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's like all we have is each other. When you pull that back, so you got that like hidden message there. It's just like the little small details that I know that he appreciated and wanted other people to appreciate, which I do. I appreciate all the little details. Like I pay close attention to shoes, so whenever that stuff pops up, it's like, yeah, they exchanged the elephant print that you'll normally see there and on the sides for suede, which is very hairy and buttery and feels really good. The leather quality, the leather quality is nice. I feel like it was gonna be a lot more softer. Definitely on the tongue, it's softer, but that's pretty much it. Got the bottoms. Overall, it's a nice shoe. Yeah, for sure. I couldn't wait to unbox these. These came last Friday. I was like, And we left Thursday. I'm like, Couldn't came Thursday, but you know, it's fine. You know, had to push it back a little bit. It's still early because they still coming out in a couple of days. Yeah, and I think my favorite thing overall is the small details, like his mom's personal message on the back, the work harder on the aglets of the shoestrings. Like, it's just little things like that is what I like about the shoe. But yeah, overall, it's a nice shoe. We was definitely lucky with the 2, the his and hers. Yeah, for sure. Like, I don't know, that's never happened before. You know, we hit on sneakers. Like general releases, but as far as like a raffle, it's very slim if we hit together. We usually have to go back and buy a different one. Like one will hit, the other won't. Like this shoe didn't even come out on sneakers, so it's like
you know, it only came out in that store, and I'm like, oh, you know, if you get one, you're lucky. We literally got two.
Yeah.
My size and her size, not some random size. Like, that's crazy. It's like, you gotta take that. It's like, I can't get mad at any more L's anymore, because it's like, you know, I got this, I got that, so I can't even get mad anymore when it comes to taking L's, because, you know, a lot of people probably want this shoe and didn't get it, but, you know, got other shoes, but it's still, you know, it's just, at the end of the day, it's just, you know, take your L's and you take your W's, and, that's it. You just can't complain. As long as you're not taking a whole bunch of L's consistently, then you need to switch up your tactic.
Yeah.
But outside of that, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you're into shoes. I do unboxings and stuff like that. If we ever get the same shoe and it's both of our pairs, we'll do a couples unboxing and stuff like that. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, leave a comment down below if you were able to get these by any chance, or if you wanted these and you struck out or whatever, you know, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to check out that vlog that I just posted, because it was lit. You don't want to miss it. If you want to see a little bit more of, you know, our inside life, and you know how we get down and stuff like that, go check out that last video.
Period.
There's check out other videos. I got plenty of different stuff on my channel. You definitely want to stay tuned. Subscribe for sure. And
when you check out that last video, please remember, we're fully vaccinated. We could be outside.
Yeah, we
could be outside.
If you check our last videos, you saw how we both got vaccinated. We explained that. Look, that's why we outside all summer. You feel what I'm saying?
We outside.
We outside. Like, we trying to get stuff, you know.
And we going up in July for my baby's graduation, for his walk. He already graduated, but we going up too. Part 2 on the way.
Yeah, so we definitely gonna have a part 2. Plenty of good vlogs coming up, so definitely subscribe and stay tuned. And yeah, I appreciate y'all for, you know, watching to the end of the video. And we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. We got other things to do. We got videos to edit, you know. So appreciate y'all, and we out.
We out.
Let's go.
You go. I'm gonna leave them out because